Welcome DIKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder what makes us tick? Consciousness. That slippery, elusive thing. It's the ultimate frontier, right? Where science and maybe something else bump into each other. We're diving deep today, looking at two powerful frameworks, the DIKWP model for building artificial minds and Stephen Hawking's take on how we humans grapple with the big questions. Buckle up. First up, meet the DIKWP model. Think of it not as a simple ladder, but a buzzing, interconnected web. Data, information, knowledge, wisdom, and the kicker, purpose. This isn't just stacking blocks, it's a dynamic network. Every layer talks to every other layer, creating 25 possible pathways. Why is this cool? Because it puts purpose front and center, not just at the top like some dusty goal, but woven into the fabric of how knowledge is generated and used. It's about why you know what you know and how that shapes your next move. This structure, combined with its semantic math, gives us a blueprint for AI that doesn't just compute, but potentially understands. Now, let's pivot to the cosmic heavyweight, Stephen Hawking. He famously drew lines in the sand. Religion? Based on authority, he'd say, science rules because it works. Simple enough. But then there's spirituality, that deep human yearning for meaning. Hawking himself wrestled with the ultimate why. He didn't believe in a personal God, but he was obsessed with understanding the universe's fundamental laws, seeing that as uncovering the mind of God, a poetic way of saying the grand unified theory. His view was clear. Science can explain how the universe works, and maybe even why it exists, without needing divine intervention. It's a powerful, rational stance. So, how do these two worlds connect? DIKWP offers a framework where purpose actively drives the entire cognitive process, from gathering data to applying wisdom. It's inherently goal-oriented. Hawking, while championing science, also acknowledged the human quest for meaning, albeit through a scientific lens, finding the why within the how. The overlap is fascinating. Both touch on consciousness as a process involving purpose or meaning-making. But here's the tension. DIKWP explicitly builds intent into the system, suggesting consciousness arises from it. Hawking, more cautiously, saw purpose as something emergent, perhaps explainable by physics alone, not necessarily built in. It's a dialogue between engineering a purpose-driven mind and discovering purpose within a naturalistic universe. What's the takeaway? DIKWP gives us a potential roadmap for crafting AI that isn't just smart, but aware of its own goals. Hawking reminds us that the deepest questions about existence still demand rigorous scientific inquiry. Together, they suggest a future where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a partner in exploring the cosmos and our place within it, blending cold logic with the warm glow of purpose. That's the fusion we're heading towards.